Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your reward after completing Drive to Impress Summer Quest Chapter 1. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you have completed the quest, you will get this pirate set. You will get this card and also this jacket. And if you want to put it on your avatar or your model, you need to go to the dressing room. Okay, here I have been in front of the dressing room, and then we can go to the dressing room. Then you can select this price menu. Okay, and here are the pirate sets that you can use or you can wear. Okay, that's so gorgeous, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to get your reward after completing the Dress to Impress Summer Quest Chapter 1. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!